a 5 ml syringe and a 30 ml syringe, the big syringe and the small syringe. These two syringes are going to be joined together and they're going to create a masterpiece. The first step is I'm going to remove these, I don't know what you call them, nozzles, right? And then I'm going to drill a big hole in the big syringe so that the small syringe can fit in the big syringe. Then I'm going to use tape to cover all the leaks, right? And then I'm going to join the two together and apply super glue to hold the two syringes together. Then I'm going to apply tape so I can cover the two syringes in epoxy, because this is high pressure we're dealing with. We don't want any leaks, and the epoxy is going to make that possible. Then after epoxying it, then we can finally test it out. So let's go test it, shall we? So these are the syringes. Now in order to get them armed, all you have to do is you remove the smaller syringe just like that, and then you suck in air, right? The whole chamber is now filled with air, and then you take the smaller syringe and then you put it in. Boom. Now it's ready to fire. Now we just have to repeat the process. Boom. Suck in air. Put this thing back in. Boom. Alright, now both are ready. Pressurize. And then you see, look at this. Boom. Boom. Easy, just like that. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.